Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to tell you about the accessories I have in my Gspace Mars GTR. These accessories are the ones I currently use, and I have been testing them for several months, and so far everything has worked perfectly. At the date I am recording this video are available on Amazon, and I will be leaving all the links in the description. Let's start. Let's start with the handlebars. Most scooters, even the most expensive ones, come with poor quality grips that are uncomfortable, slide down the handlebars, and deteriorate quickly. This pair of Pro Palm brand lockable grips are a perfect solution and help prevent hand fatigue, and you can keep your wrists in place safely. These grips are priced at $28 and come in different colors to combine with various types of scooters. I have been using them for several months, and I am quite surprised at the quality. So far they look like new, and when you put them in place, they will stay there without any problems. They are ergonomic, have a pretty nice design, and allow you to grip the handlebar firmly, preventing your hand from sliding. The locking of these handles is quite secure, and they are also easier to remove. Just loosen the screw, and it will be very easy to remove them if you want to clean them or do anything else. These cost a little more expensive than other grips, but if you're looking for ones that last almost the entire life of the scooter and make it more comfortable and safer to drive, they're worth it. Another accessory that I think is very important to have is this Powelon brand horn. Most scooters have horns that are not loud enough to make you heard on the streets. This horn is 125 decibels, and that is enough for other drivers on the road to hear you. It is also an alarm, which will give you greater security when leaving your scooter alone. Comes with a remote control that activates and deactivates the alarm, has IP67 waterproof rating, is rechargeable, and with a single battery charge, you can have up to 3 weeks of autonomy. Is very easy to install and looks pretty cool. These rear view mirrors are fantastic for seeing the cars in the back, especially if you ride a lot on the roads. I have had other rear view mirrors, but most of them vibrate too much, move out of place, are very small, are of poor quality, or you just can't see clearly. But these work perfectly. They don't vibrate and always stay in place, plus they are long enough for you to see behind you without any issues. Are from the RBRL brand, have a pretty nice design, and are made of aluminum alloy, which gives them greater durability. Have different connection points so you can adjust them to the position you like the most. They are also quite sharp and have a panoramic view. If you are going to ride on the road, I would recommend that you buy these rear view mirrors and avoid having to turn your head to see the cars so you can keep your eyes on the road. This phone holder is also a very useful accessory. I use it to be able to see the maps while riding my scooter. But some people also control their speed or other applications from their phones. I have had good results with this accessory. I think the ones with grip in the four corners are the best. They prevent the phone from sliding and falling out. Fits quite well, and if you need more space, you can buy a handlebar extension like the one I have. This handlebar extension costs around $10 and is quite useful to put other important accessories for our scooter. The next accessory I want to show you is this scooter bag. Having the scooter bag can be very useful to keep some extra things besides the things you can carry in your backpack. This bag is from Cabo brand, but I made some modifications to make it a GTR bag. I got a GTR sticker and also painted the logo red for a more personalized style. I just painted this part here, and then I put the GTR sticker on top and was able to get this style. All the materials I used to customize my bag, I also got them on Amazon. It is quite large, and I use it to store some tools that can be used to make some small repairs or small adjustments that my scooter needs. You can keep some drinks or something you buy in the store, your scooter lock, or your gloves. I think it is an accessory that all of us who ride scooters should have. I also have this extra bag. This one is from Rhino Walk, and I use it to store my power bank where all the extra lights I have are connected. It is waterproof, so I keep all my connections and cables secure, and also has an extra cover to further reinforce the protection if you have to ride in rains. Has enough space to store what I need, and looks pretty good. It costs around $20, and you can also put it on the front of the scooter or on the handlebars if you want to. This universal hanging hook is something we can also consider having on our scooter. Here we can carry bags or a small suitcase. I use it to carry extra bags when I shop at the supermarket or go to the laundromat. It is quite safe. It is blocked in this way, and the bags do not fall off. You can get it on Amazon for around $12, and you have several colors for you to choose the one you like the most. I am a person who rides a lot at night because of my work. For me, it is very important to have extra lighting on my scooter, to have greater visibility, and so that other drivers can see me when I am on the road. The lighting that the scooters have is mostly not enough to ride at night. Where I live, there are many poorly lit roads, and with extra lights, I feel safer. These extra lights I got are Cabo type, and they look quite nice and are quite bright. I also have these two auxiliary lights on the sides to improve even more the lighting I have at night. All lights are 36 watts of power and 3 amps of consumption per hour. I have them connected to my power bank, and I only need to charge the power bank once a week. I tried some wireless and rechargeable LED lights, but I had to charge their batteries 3 times a week and had to remove them from the scooter to do so. So I looked for a better option, and I think I found the perfect solution since I only have to remove the power bank from my bag and put it to charge, and I don't need to remove all the lights. If you ride at night, I think this is a good option for you to ride safer and more comfortably. You have many options on the market, but if you want to add extra lights like me, I have a little video where I explain how I did it. I also have these sliders. This is an accessory that gives the scooter a pretty cool look. It is not very useful to protect it because they are made of aluminum and are not resistant to falls. I mean, they are just an accessory to make it look nicer. If you are interested in getting ones that do protect them, they will cost you around $50 a pair, as those are made of steel. But with respect to the ones I have, you should consider the size of the nut that holds the tire, so that you can buy the right size. The ones I have, I had to adapt in some way because this is the model that I like, but I knew I had to adapt them. I also painted my tires, and to do this, I used an oil-based Sharpie marker. These are also cheap and can give a different style to your scooter. Other products and tools that I can also recommend will be useful for you to maintain your scooter. Spoon tool set for tires. This will make their job easier when they want to change their tires. All-in key set. Come all the key sizes you will need to tighten or loosen the screws. Compressed air duster, which allows you to quickly clean up all the dust on your scooter. And finally, portable air pump to keep your tires always with the right amount of PSI quickly and easily. Well guys, that's all for today. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. All your comments help me to keep improving. Until next time.